What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy kbklyn. Welcome back to another episode of kbklyn Juicing. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Hopefully you've caught the last video. Glad that you're watching this video. And if you didn't catch the last video, do yourself a favor, go check the last video. And do me a favor, since we're doing favors. Can I get a like? Can I get a subscribe? Can I get some comments? Can we get this going? I see everybody getting healthy. The gym is extra crowded. So today, we're gonna focus on, y'all ever notice this glove be kicking my butt? It's always the left one. The left one be, man, just don't wanna go on smooth, whatever reason. But anyway, we're gonna get the glove situation together. But like I was saying, notice everybody's in the gym, everybody wants to get healthy, and I like that. Consistency is everything, key is everything. But anyway, today's episode is for the fellas. Don't worry, ladies, I got something for you too. Fellas, get a little closer. Aren't y'all tired of taking Viagra? You gotta sit there, pop the pill, wait for it to kick in, not sure if it's gonna work, your confidence level's a lot lower. Guess what? We're gonna get off these pills. We ain't doing no Viagra no more. Cause you know why? We got this. We got apples. We got beets. We got organic ginger. That's right, I throw ginger in everything. We got watermelon. Not just any watermelon. You see these little black things right there? Yeah, I know this is something you ain't seen this in a long time. Watermelon with the seeds. Watermelon with the seeds. And guess what? We got some pomegranate. The reason I use pomegranate, and I already peeled it, fresh pomegranate, you know, it takes a while to peel it. Again, I don't want y'all to sit here and watch me do all this. We got our mason jars. We got a cooling juicer. And like, again, apples, beets. So again, this is going to be like a longer video than normal. I'm not juicing all of these together. I'm going to do a watermelon with the seeds. Then I'm gonna do the pomegranate juice. Then I'm gonna do beet juice. Not gonna mix them all together. I've never done that before. That sounds like a good night. all three together. That sounds like an amazing night. But we ain't gonna do all that. We don't want anybody catching a heart attack. Come on, yo, kbklyn, man. You gave me all three of these together. I got 6 kids. Nah, we not Nick Cannon in the game right now. We just want us to have a good time for a long time. You know what I'm saying, fellas? And ladies, don't worry. I got something for you coming soon. But again, we want to get you natural. Again, I'm 53. We want that natural feeling. We want to get back to that. We want to wake up in the middle of the night, you know, going to the bathroom with the erection. We want to get that back. It's never too late. Fellas, what I'm about to make for you, thank me now. So let's start with the watermelon juice first. You know, I'm going to do the watermelon last because I got a whole watermelon. And sometimes if the watermelon is not the greatest, you know, let me grab a napkin. I ain't going to lie. Under these lights, whoo, it's hot. I don't have the AC on because I don't want that sound. So I got lights here, lights above me. Kid is sweating, man. It's nice out. But anyway, we want to do the watermelon last. So we're going to do, actually, you know what? I got my cooling juicer. Enough talking because, again, I know y'all don't like to hear me talk too much. So we got the cooling juicer. We're going to turn that bad baby on. Again, it only turns on once the lid is down. Once it's up, bow. That's it. Like that, bow. So again, I'm going to do the watermelon last because I have a lot of watermelon. Like I would say, yeah, the watermelon, sometimes if you buy watermelon, it's very tricky because you can't really tell. I know I can't tell. If you know how to get watermelon correct, because again, I get watermelon and it's like I tap when I do all this stuff. Anyway, it's not the greatest, so you juice it. So let's start with the pomegranate. So we're just gonna put the pomegranate here. And again, I do add ginger to everything because I like ginger. So we're gonna add all the pomegranate, boom, up in there like that. Get that going. And I'm gonna throw some ginger in there. So this is by itself, just the pomegranate and the ginger. I like to keep this closed because again, I like this to marinate. Then after that, we're gonna do the beets. Then after that, we're gonna do watermelon. So I'm not juicing all three together. I'm just making a nice one off of everything and we're gonna label it, put this in the refrigerator. And again, if you have some plans coming up, if you don't have any plans coming up, you want that extra 2 minutes, telling you, ladies will love you after this. They're like, babe, what was you taking? Don't worry, it's all natural. My boy kbklyn hooked me up. And again, I throw ginger in everything because it gives it a smooth taste, a nice taste. And see how quick that was? That's done right here. This is done. So it may not be a long video like I was thinking. And this cooling juicer, yes, it's pricey, but Father's Day is coming up. I think they have a 20% off. I think it's $700. 20% off is $140 off. So do yourself a favor, gentlemen. Buy yourself this machine. All right, so that's done already. Again, I like to strain some of this stuff right here. And again, we're not going to clean this off or anything. We're just going to go keep it moving, keep it moving. That's what we are going to do here today. So we have, you know, I like to take my sippy sippy. So this right here is just pomegranate. Man, that ginger is, takes a whole nother level. And again, do me a favor. If you see that I'm not adding something, or I should add this, or why do you add this? Listen, I hit everybody back. Let me know, you know, questions that you have, or if there's a juice that you want me to juice. Educate me. We're gonna learn together. Again, I'm doing this so you don't have to. I'm doing all the research. I'm making all the stuff so now you can turn on the TV while you cook dinner and be like, okay, I need to make this for this, that for this. Again, all this is for the fellas. Yeah, ladies, y'all could drink this too. But this right here is get rid of the Viagra. This is the erection special. I'm telling you, for erections, we're adults here. Listen, right here, you have your pomegranate in the morning, your beets in the evening, your watermelon at night. Or you have pomegranates during the day. The next day you have your watermelon. The next day you have your beets. But you consistently have these three, because what this does is red. So it gets the red blood cells flowing. And guess what happens when your red blood cells are flowing? Everything else is flowing. So what we're gonna do next? We're gonna do the beets. And again, I add an apple to the beet because I know a lot of people are like, oh, I'm not drinking no beet juice. You add that apple to that beet, and I guarantee you, you won't taste the beet like that. It offsets it. It really, really does. Again, I want to keep this video moving, so I'm gonna throw all this up in here at one time. So we got that, and again, we got my trusty ginger, organic ginger only. We're not doing that big ginger stuff. We're not doing that. Because even when you cut this ginger up, you smell it. The smell is amazing. It's stronger. Now we're gonna do what? After this, we're gonna do watermelon. Again, do me a favor, please. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm a new YouTuber, new YouTubers. Shout out to us. It's not easy. It's a lot of fun. I mean, I wanted to grow. The only reason I can grow, the only way that I can grow is if you hit that like button, that subscribe, because you know there's a thing called algorithms. And again, they're going to get the big YouTubers and do what they got to do. I'm not mad at them at all. We want to get there eventually. Some of us do this just wherever it goes. I wanted to go a little higher. I want feedback. I want to start having guests on the show where I want to have my friends hit me up and say, Kev, I got this juice. Yo, buy the ingredients and I'm going to come through. Or they buy the ingredients and come through. We talk about it together. We make it together and we learn together. A lot of this stuff I do make, I've never had before. Of course, I've had watermelon juice. I've had beet juice. I've had pomegranate juice. But this right here is for your red blood cells to get them flowing. Because so much food that we eat, even though we think is natural and we think it's good, the mislabeling is ridiculous. There is sugar-free gum out there and it says sugar-free. But then you read the ingredients, there's sugar in it. It's so misleading. Again, I want us to get healthy together. We want to live a long time healthy. Let's say it with me. We want to live a long time healthy. This your boy kbklyn. Yes, I am yapping right now because the machine got to do what it got to do. You know, like I said, I'm gonna let this spin. If you want to go to the bathroom, come back. Again, this is gonna spin for a minute. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to make. Again, I'm doing this. I do this probably twice a week, God willing, if I can. I try to post on Mondays and Thursdays, or Mondays and Wednesdays. So far, I see Mondays are my good days. I see the videos do pretty well on Monday. Wednesday and Thursday, I'm still trying to see where the video go because I wanted to, you know, don't get me wrong. I'm happy with the 10, 15, 20, 30 people that do watch my videos. Especially watch it to the end. Oh yes, that's right. Watch it to the end. Because at the end of this, either I'm going to talk about more in depth what all these juices do for you, or I'm going to leave I type it in and leave it on the screen. Why pomegranate? What's it do for you? What watermelon do for you? You know, what beet juice do for you? So that way you can learn. Again, I want to do this for you so you don't have to do the research. And as you can see, the beet juice is, you'll be able to tell the difference. The beet juice is definitely a darker red. That pomegranate was so, the hardest part about pomegranate juice, and I wouldn't even say it's hard, it's just that when you buy pomegranate, you have to peel it. And you got to, you know, shake it out, get all the little seeds out. It takes longer to actually clean the pomegranate and get the seeds out than it is to juice it. You saw how fast that was. And again, I'm a big fan of pomegranate. Sometimes, honestly, you can just eat it too. That bowl right there, you can have that for lunch and for dinner. I notice for myself when I eat a lot of pomegranate, I have like a little slight tingling sensation from it, so I can't overindulge in it. Let me know if you have that same situation. But right now, we're doing the beet juice. After that, we're gonna do the watermelon, because like I said, I bought a whole watermelon with the seeds. and it wasn't the greatest. I like to have half of it for like to liquid and half of it to have for breakfast and lunch. But again, it's so hard finding really good watermelon. Oh yeah, just I got to do a plug for myself. See these hats that I'm wearing and the hat that I have on? I make these hats. Hit me up on Instagram at kbklyn, kbklyn. Let me know what you want. I got a bunch of hats. I also have some other stuff coming. And as this channel grow, it's called product placement. You see it all the time. So guess what? I'm product placement right now. So again, if you want a hat, hit me up on kbklyn, kbklyn. And get your hat. I got different colors. They're all snapbacks. I don't have any fitteds. Again, I make everything out in my crib. So it's not like I can have a size 7 or 8, 7-inch, because then I got about 12 of them and I don't want to sit there with them. So, man, it is hot today. I got the ceiling fan on. But woo! But again, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. And I know a lot of y'all don't watch to the end because y'all got, stuff to do, life be life. But gentlemen, please tune in, because this right here is going to replace the Viagra that you are currently taking. No, don't say, oh, I could take this and the Viagra. Don't overdo it, brother. This right here is all you need. Pomegranate, the watermelon, and the beet juice. You don't need anything else. And some people, I know a lot of guys pump their chest out, man, I don't need nothing. Listen, brother, 2 and 2 is 4. So if you get in 2 minutes with your wife and you take this, you get an extra 2 minutes. That's 4 minutes of pleasure. Stop playing. That's right, 4 minutes of pleasure. This is matter of fact, I forgot to carry it in one because inflation. 5 minutes right here of extra pleasure for you and your lady. Come on, don't play with the kid like this. Let's go. Okay, this is almost done. Move this around a little bit. Man, I like the way beet juice smell, especially when you have that ginger in it. Again, I'm always going to add ginger to everything because the pomegranate was nice, but that ginger gives it an extra spice. I ain't mean to rhyme like that, but All right, this is done. We're going to pour this, empty this. And, I'm going to take a taste. Got to take a sippy sip. And again, when it's cold, even though I had all of these ingredients in the refrigerator, it's not ice cold. Like, again, a liquid gets colder faster than a solid. So, yup, have this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, let me let you know, fellas and ladies, when you drink beet juice on a regular, it's going to scare you the first time that you take it. And what I mean by that is it's going to either change your urine or your stool sample. It has happened to me. Man, when I started peeing red, went to the bathroom, sat down, saw red, I was nervous. I've never grabbed Google so fast, started asking AI a bunch of questions. She was like, Kev, slow down. You're speeding. When she answered them questions, I was like, whew. So it will change, again, your stool sample to red. Let's try this beet juice. When I say slamming, slamming. Yes, I repeat, I do not buy store brand juice. Now, don't get me wrong. I will buy orange juice. There's a brand out there that has one ingredient, just orange juice. But I'm a little scared of that too, because everybody's saying one ingredient, one this and that. And it's the best taste orange juice I've had so far. Now, we going to the big dogs, the watermelon. That's where the action starts. So we're going to throw all this watermelon in here because y'all been watching me for a while. Again, we're not going to clean this all out. It's all in the red family. So I've never mixed them all together. I'm not trying to do that. So let's just get this watermelon up in here. And I have a lot of watermelon. Like I said, it's the, I'm gonna throw this ginger in here. I got 2 pieces. I'm gonna break this in half. Yeah, I bought a whole watermelon. So with that being said, it wasn't that good. So I was like, you know what, juice it. And if you have watermelon in the crib and it starts to go bad, juice it. And that's with any fruit. If you have anything in the crib and it starts to go bad, just juice it. When I tell you I got some watermelon, all right, here we go. Like I said, it's the whole, I'm juicing the whole thing because it wasn't the greatest. So I didn't want to just throw it in the garbage. I don't want to waste stuff. And I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. Yeah, I want y'all to continue to still watch. But if you need to clock out, go do what you got to do. You got the gist of the video. Again, at the end of the video, I will be leaving the benefits of watermelon juice, beet juice, pomegranate juice. And I'm doing all of this, again, so you don't have to. That's right, so you don't have to. So that way, hold on, give me a second. Empty out the tray. I'm doing all this so you don't have to. I know somebody in the comment has mentioned to me, brother, I'm sorry if I don't get back to you with the rind, because he was asking me or telling me about it. Don't forget to tell him the importance of watermelon juice, how the rind is good for you. I'll do some research on it. I'll look it up. I've tried juicing the rind before. I don't like it because I feel like the rind holds, I hope I'm saying that correctly, the rind. But anyway, you know what I mean. I feel like it holds a lot of the dirt. It was like dark. It wasn't for me. It's not for everybody. If you've tried it, please let me know in the comment how to do it. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I'm not doing it correctly. So we're gonna throw the rest of this in here. Like I said, I have a lot of watermelon. It was the whole watermelon and it wasn't the greatest. And it's so hard finding watermelon nowadays that's, I don't know. I just don't know why I haven't had luck with it. And again, during the summer, your boy tears some watermelon up. I'm talking about gets busy with it. So I'm gonna empty this out. Thank you for tuning in. It ain't over yet. I'm just talking. We just yapping. We here. This is filmed on a Sunday. Oh, almost forgot to take a sip. Stop playing. So nice. Gotta go back twice. Man, watermelon juice is amazing. Damn, it's refreshing. And you know what the crazy part is? Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna put the string on no more. The crazy part about watermelon juice, it's good warm too. You can taste the flavors, but you add that ginger, it's an amazing thing. Like I said, this is gonna replace your Viagra. Right now, I'm gonna be drinking this, waking up feeling like a teenager. I'm so serious. I'm not over-exaggerating. I'm not under-exaggerating. If you know, you know. As a matter of fact, if you had that experience before and you was like, damn, yo, why am I waking up with all these erections? And you be like, realize it was the watermelon. Yo, leave your boy a comment. I don't think I have enough mason jars. That's all right. That means I have to drink it now. So, this is amazing. I love watermelon season, man. Like I see people who live in LA. I follow this guy named Cali Musu. And he's always juicing watermelon. And I think where he's at, the season is year round. I would be in trouble. And I mean trouble, I mean good trouble, like, you know, health-wise. I don't mean like anything sexual, but I would be in trouble. Put the ginger in there, last piece. Because watermelon, I don't get tired of watermelon. You know, certain things you eat and you're like, I don't want this no more, I'm tired of this. I would have watermelon for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yes, do I cut out the seeds? I mean, do I cut out the seeds? Nah, not at all. I mean, if they're in there, they're in there. I don't make it my point to throw them in there. But they're there. And you'll just, you know, your body will get rid of that. So thank you for tuning in. We're going to let this do what it got to do. It's your boy, kbklyn. We ain't out yet. We're going to pour this up in here, put this in the refrigerator, let this sit for 8 hours, 9 hours. See? It's okay. It's like not crispy. Because when watermelon is great, it's like a refresh, it's a juice. It's water and melon. It's the best thing ever. Look at these beautiful colors right here. Look at these beautiful colors right here. Come on. Look at these beautiful colors. Beautiful. Fellas, telling you, I don't know what this will do for women. Maybe I'll do some research and leave that at the end of the video. What does beet juice, watermelon, because for us, it's sexual. I don't know if it's going to be sexual for women. So I would like to, you know, don't go nowhere. Give me a second. Get rid of this right here. Get rid of we don't need this, fellas. We don't need this anymore. We have this. This right here. Viagra or watermelon, beet juice, pomegranate. You won't need this anymore. I'm telling you, fellas, listen to your boy, kbklyn. That's right. And you know what? We are done over here. I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. Please continue to tune in. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that way you won't miss a beat. We're going to get healthy one day at a time. Matter of fact, 2 days at a time. Like I said, Monday and Wednesday or Monday and Thursday. I'm still trying to figure out this algorithm so we can get our views up. But the people that are watching, thank you very much. The love is there. It's your boy, kbklyn, and we out. See ya.